Bonjour. Here's an Edpuzzle about how to say the weather in French. So first of all, the question, quel temps fait-il, means what's the weather like? But if you notice that it doesn't exactly word for word mean that. So quel means which, temps, even though it looks like temperature, it means weather. Fait-il, is it doing? So it's kind of like saying, what's the weather doing outside? Quel temps fait-il? So here's our first one. Il fait beau. So you might recognize beau from the adjectives handsome. So il fait beau is it's nice out. Il fait mauvais is the opposite. It's bad out. We learned ça va mal. So mauvais and mal are very similar. Il fait mauvais. So it's doing bad out. Il fait chaud is it's hot out. So I always tell the students the second letter in chaud is H and it's hot. So il fait chaud. It's hot out. Il fait frais is it's cool out. It's like medium, like warm. Il fait frais. Il fait froid means it's cold out. And that word froid kind of looks like frigid or fridge or freezing. So il fait froid is it's cold out. Il fait du soleil. It's sunny out. So it does sun outside today. So you know the solar system, right? Solar eclipse, anything to do with solar has to do with the sun. So il fait du soleil is it's sunny out. Il fait du vent is it's windy out. And the word vent looks like the word where air comes in and out of a vent. So wind comes in and out. So il fait du vent is it's windy out. Il fait du brouillard is it's foggy out. And my joke about this is, see this we in the middle? So I ask the students, is it foggy out? Yes, oui, it's foggy out. So is it foggy out? Oui, il fait du brouillard. Yes, it's foggy out. It's not that great of a joke, but maybe it'll help. When you see we, yes, it's foggy out. Il neige means it snows, or it could also mean it is snowing. So il neige, it snows or it is snowing. Il pleut, it's raining or it rains. And my joke to remember this is saying il pleut, 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 pleut. Sounds like drops falling on your umbrella. So il pleut is it's raining. All right, we got a couple different ways to say it's cloudy. And I've always had trouble teaching this one. Kids have a tough time remembering nuage means cloud. So I made this little, well, actually a student made it for me, a stuffed animal that is a cloud. It's not really an animal, a stuffed cloud. And I wrote on there that its name was nuage. It's actually hanging from my room. It's like near my desk, and you probably see it hanging. It's like a little stuffed cloud, and it says nuage on it. So my joke is my cloud's name is Nuage. I have a pet cloud named Nuage. So, salut, je m'appelle Nuage. Hi, my name is Cloud. So, il y a means there is. Il y a des nuages. There are clouds. Il est nuageux. It's cloudy. And il fait gris. It's gray out. So all three of these represent it's cloudy. Il y a des nuages. Il est nuageux. Il fait gris. Again, we have il y a to start. That means there is. Il y a un orage and il y a une tempête they're both ways to say there's a storm. And my joke is, see these oranges that are in the storm? Il y a un orage, and there's a trumpet. Il y a une tempête. So my joke is, when you see the word orage, it looks like oranges, and tempête, it looks like trumpet, and they're both caught in the storm. So it's stormy. Il y a un orage, il y a une tempête. So there is a storm. Il y a du tonnerre et des éclairs. This is, there is thunder and lightning bolts. The word éclair you might recognize as a pastry in French. So an éclair is like a long puff pastry with some cream in it. So I think of it as these éclairs are coming at you from the sky. So il y a du tonnerre et des éclairs. So also when lightning comes in the sky, it makes the sky clear at night. So il y a du tonnerre et des éclairs. There's a ton of thunder. Maybe you could make it that way too. So there is thunder and lightning bolts. Il y a du tonnerre et des éclairs. Il y a un arc-en-ciel. You recognize this because we've played the game arc-en-ciel quite a bit this year, and it means rainbow. And il y a is there is. Arc is an arch in the sky. Ciel means sky. So il y a un arc-en-ciel. There's a rainbow. All right, now we have an expression that they say, kind of like we say it's raining cats and dogs. They say, il fait un temps de chien. It's dog weather. What that means is it's nasty out. It could be like in a snowstorm or a rainstorm or lots of fog. It just means it's really bad out. Il fait un temps de chien. It's dog weather. So to mean it's really bad out. Il fait un froid de canard. That means it's really, really cold. It's as cold as a duck. Yes, it's really silly. I know. It's as cold as a duck is what they say. So these are fun expressions that they use for weather, just like we say it's raining cats and dogs, right? So il fait un froid de canard. It's as cold as a duck. And our last one, il pleut des cordes, is it's raining ropes. So we say like it's raining cats and dogs. I keep saying that, but they say it's raining ropes. So il pleut des cordes. It looks like ropes are coming from the sky. It's raining so hard. So that means it's really raining. Il pleut des cordes. Okay, so now we have some questions to go with your Edpuzzle. Quel temps fait-il is what's the weather like? Il fait beau, il fait mauvais, il neige. You have to choose which one makes most sense. Il fait beau is the best one. Can you please take out your vocab 11 to help you with this activity, if you don't already have it out? Quel temps fait-il? Il fait gris, il y a un arc-en-ciel, or il neige? Il y a un arc-en-ciel. So now the rest of them have a little star. That means you're going to answer them. And remember, this counts as a grade, so do your best. Use your vocab 11 and take your time. So, quel temps fait-il? Looking at this picture, il fait froid, il fait frais, il fait chaud. Quel temps fait-il? Il y a un arc-en-ciel, il fait gris, or il neige. Quel temps fait-il? Il y a un orage, il fait froid, or il y a des nuages. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait beau, il fait mauvais, il neige. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du vent, il fait du brouillard, il fait du soleil. Quel temps fait-il? Il y a du brouillard, il fait un temps de chien, il y a une tempête. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud, il fait froid, il fait frais. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du vent, il fait froid, il fait du soleil. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du brouillard, il fait un temps de chien, or il y a du tonnerre et des éclairs. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait chaud, il fait froid, il fait frais. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du vent, il fait du brouillard, il fait du soleil. And that's supposed to be foggy. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait un froid de canard, il pleut des cordes, il fait un temps de chien. Quel temps fait-il? Il fait du soleil, il fait froid, il est nuageux. Quel temps fait-il? Il y a un orage, il pleut, il neige. Quel temps fait-il? Il pleut des cordes, il fait un temps de chien, il fait un froid de canard. And that's it. I hope you learned a little weather today. Au revoir.